Are you tired of letting the pain of arthritis dictate your life? In this video, you will learn about the single most overlooked cause of arthritis that no one is talking about. And I will unveil the transformative strategies to reclaim your freedom and live pain-free. So make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any part of this solution. Arthritis refers to an inflammation of a joint or joints in the body. One of the most common type of arthritis is osteoarthritis, also known as degenerative arthritis. It's also commonly referred to as wear and tear arthritis. Osteoarthritis is a disease involving inflammation of bone and joint cartilage. Initially, it was believed to just be caused by wear and tear, but now it is found that inflammation plays a vital role in osteoarthritis. It's a condition that results from the breakdown of cartilage in a joint, eventually leading to abnormal bone changes. In the beginning of osteoarthritis, the cartilage surface becomes swollen and form cracks, making it difficult for the joints to work properly. Osteoarthritis doesn't spread all over the body. It only affects the joints that are damaged. The joints usually affected are the knees, the hips, the spine, the hands, and the toes. There are two main types of osteoarthritis. Number one, primary osteoarthritis. In this condition, it's very common with aging. Here we have the water content in the cartilage increasing while the protein portion degenerates. Number two is secondary osteoarthritis. This is usually due to a disease caused by a condition such as repeated injury, infection, gout, or surgery on the joints. Obesity is a frequent contributor as excess weight puts additional stress on the cartilage, particularly on the joints of the hips and the knees. Now to a very intriguing fact, and that is the fact that researchers discovered that osteoarthritis can also be caused by changes in the type of bacteria in your gut. Changes in the type of bacteria in your gut can result from what you eat, use of antibiotics, and some other factors. Researchers discovered that overweight mice had more bad bacteria in their guts than thin mice. This led to inflammation all over their bodies, which made their joints get worse very quickly. This study says that for overweight people, arthritis might be connected to inflammation caused by the secretion of the bad bacteria in their stomach. They found that by using a type of fiber called oligofructose, they could fix these gut issues. Actually, what they were able to do was they reduced the number of the bad bacteria and increased the population of the good bacteria in the stomach. This led to reduced inflammation in their stomach and joints, saved their joints from damage, and prevented arthritis. How do you know if you have arthritis? Number one, pain in your joints after using them a lot, especially later in the day. Number two, swelling, pain, and stiffness after sitting still for a long time, especially after waking up in the morning, but it gets better with movement. Number three, constant pain even when not moving. This happens in advanced osteoarthritis when there is no cartilage left. Number four, in osteoarthritis of the spine, pain can happen in the neck or lower back. Sometimes bony growths can irritate the nerves, causing numbness, tingling, or severe pain in the back and the limbs. Symptoms can vary a lot between people. Some might have a lot of trouble moving, while others may have very few symptoms even though their condition is serious. Being overweight is not the only cause of osteoarthritis, but if you are, try to lose some weight to reduce the stress on your joints. Stay away from activities that might hurt or strain your joint cartilage, especially if you already have an injury. Exercise is good, but make sure it's not too hard on your joints. Swimming, cycling, and lightweight training are safe options. There are certain foods that cause inflammation and worsen your arthritis symptoms. If you really want to reverse arthritis, you must avoid these foods. Inflammation is the starting point of many health problems, so it's important to address it early on to prevent further health issues along the line. When you are constantly exposed to things that irritate your body, it can cause your tissues not to work right and eventually harm your organs. So what are these foods that cause irritation and inflammation in the body? Number one, excessive consumption of processed foods, sugars and refined carbohydrates. Number 2, trans fats, dairy products, high consumption of red meat. Others include excessive consumption of alcohol, gluten in flour products, and use of artificial additives. The best foods for arthritis include fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lots of colorful vegetables, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, spices like turmeric and ginger, healthy oils like olive oil, coconut oil, and also taking lots of green tea. One of the best supplements you can take for joint health is glycine. Glycine has been associated with potential benefits for joint health. Glycine has anti-inflammatory properties. It supports the protection and maintenance of cartilage in joints. It also contributes to the synthesis of synovial fluid, which lubricates the joints. The second supplement to consider for your joint health is undenatured type 2 collagen, UC2. Even in smaller amounts, UC2 has been shown to work better than popular supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate. If you've gotten some value, I'd like to know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not. Thank you for watching.